Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've got this lovely 60 by 30 canvas that I'd previously done a pour on and didn't like, so I'm going to give it another go and do some colours that you maybe not think of putting on canvas. I mean, I might not succeed in them either, but I'm going to try. This is turquoise mixed with a bit of the dragonfly glaze to give it some shimmer. Now it doesn't matter what colour dragonfly glaze because it always just gives it this metallic effect, so it's really like making your own metallic paints. So that's what I've done to really give this a really nice shimmer. And I did dull down the turquoise with a bit of white, so I'll miss out all the boring bits and just have my therapy session quietly covering my canvas. So I'm going to add some water to this because it's very thick, so I'm going to add a bit of water to it. Now there was two methods that I thought that I would like to do, so I'm still not sure. I didn't know whether to do a chaos blowout with these unusual colours that I have here or do a swipe. So I think maybe I'm going to try the chaos blowout. I think. I'm not sure if you're getting this sparkle that's in this paint. It's beautiful, so I know when it dries it's going to have the lovely sparkle in it, particularly if I resin the paint, the whole piece of art, and put a little bit of that dragonfly glaze in the resin. Oh, it really leaves a gorgeous sparkling effect. So let's just put a bit more paint on and let's see if I can. This is still quite thick, but I'm going to go with it as it is, see what I get with it. If I need to adjust it, you know, the technique or anything, then I definitely will, but at the moment I'm just going to go with it. So I've got a nice thick layer on there, but I'm hoping that I will blow some out. It's really beautiful colour, so oh, it's very shimmery. So let's see how I go. Right, most of these colours are custom colours. So the first one is, it looks disgusting. It's gold with burnt umber and a blob of black, but it's made this really gorgeous dark caramel, like a burnt caramel, and I'm really liking it. So I'm going to hopefully do I think I'll start with the blowout, see how I go with it. So I know this colour should look really beautiful with the turquoise, but you never know till you try it, do you? So and then I'm going to put, this is the metallic black, so look at it, really gorgeous metallic black. So I'm going to sort of wiggle that inside like a snaky thing. Think, what is she doing? What is she doing? And then I'm just going to go the metallic gold. These are all global impasto colours. Even me making, you know, the custom colours out of the global impasto. And then I'm going to go to a bit of burnt umber itself here. So, burnt umber on. I'm really hoping these colours just meld beautiful together. So this is the turquoise, actually it's the mint green, which you can actually make the same out of just white with a little bit of turquoise in it. But this one is called mint. So this is my light colour on top. And it is absolutely glistening, so I'm really hoping for good results. If not, I will start again. So over with my heat wand, and now with my, it's just a mini hairdryer. So I'm going to put it on a high speed because this being a little travel dryer, it's not that strong anyway. So let's give this a go. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Oh, I think that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Might need a little bit of blowing out. I don't want to put my head down in it. I always get my hair covered or my boob in it or something. I'll just spread out a bit more of that gorgeous shimmering turquoise. I'm very happy with those colours. Definitely now try a big swipe in them. That's just got a little bit of more paint than I'd wished for there, but that's okay because it'll still make a nice effect. Wow, 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 that's gorgeous. This paint that's sitting a little bit thick on it, but I know that it will absorb into the canvas as it dries. Those colours are really beautiful. The only thing I'm going to do, which is my thing that I love doing, look at these little cells of paint, to just add some balloon embellishment. Simple as that. You don't actually see that it's the balloon, but it just gives a little bit of depth and a little bit of softness to it. So I have to, oh, that is gorgeous. It really is. And those colours would really sell well, especially here on the coast where I am. That's gorgeous. I'm super happy with that, and I'm absolutely going to leave that now. That's very light and dreamy, and it's super gorgeous glistening colours, that turquoise, and with those custom colours in there. So that's my bit of art therapy for the day, and I'll start on my next piece, but I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow for my next piece. Be sure to have a look at the finished product at the end, because that is super gorgeous and it's super floaty, dreamy, romantic-y thingy looking. So I'm getting silly. Okie doke, my lovelies, please take care of yourselves. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely, and you need to talk to someone, ring a family or friend or a helpline. Don't suffer in silence. There is always somebody there for you. I'll see you tomorrow, my lovelies. Bye for now.